Your professional reputation is in flames. A public setback, a major failure, a scandal. Your first instinct may be to explain, to embark on an apology tour, to talk your way out of the wreckage. That would be the biggest mistake of your career. The secret to a true comeback isn't about talking, it's about disappearing. Welcome to your comeback strategy. Over the next 10 minutes, I'm going to give you the roadmap to turn this disaster into your greatest strategic advantage. First rule, stop the explaining loop. Traditional public relations apologies are just fuel for the fire. They don't conclude the news cycle, they feed it. Effective immediately, implement a 48-hour blackout rule: no posts, no interviews, no reactive comments. Starve the controversy of oxygen. This isn't about hiding, it's about shifting your mindset. You must realize that you are not the victim. This is your moment to transition from public shame to radical accountability. You own the failure, but not by talking about it. You prepare for a silent, strategic pivot. Trust that the noise will die down when you stop making it. After the blackout, the noise has quieted, and it's time to audit the damage. First, conduct a data audit. Go incognito online and search your name, your company, and the incident. Note the first 10 results. These data points define your damage narrative. Document them unemotionally. Next, perform a network audit by opening your contacts and categorizing your professional network into 3 groups: defenders, neutrals, and detractors. Your time is your most valuable asset. You will only re-engage the defenders and, later, the neutrals. The detractors are irrelevant. The third part of your audit is the gap audit. With your current narrative in hand, determine the expertise you want to pursue next. Map out the gap between what they think you are and what you will prove you can become. This gap is your new mission. Your comeback isn't about returning to who you were, it's about becoming someone better, equipped with undeniable skills. Having completed the audits, you must now commit to a period of silent execution. No more social media validation, no more look at my progress posts. Your work is done in the shadows, and progress is measured by your internal milestones, not by likes. During this time, focus on developing a high-leverage skill or project. Don't just refine old skills, create something new that directly addresses a current industry pain point. Make your value so undeniable that they have no choice but to take notice. As you create, document everything privately. Maintain a repository of evidence, your notes, drafts, videos, and testimonials from people in your inner circle. This isn't for public view, this is proof that your transformation stems from hard work, not mere words. You are building an arsenal for your comeback. Now that you've built your new value, it's essential to execute a strategic soft launch. Avoid re-entering the scene with a bang, that's merely amateur hour. Instead, identify low-risk, high-credibility platforms to share your work. Think of niche communities or trusted colleagues, small groups. Introduce your new body of work without fanfare. You're not announcing a comeback, you're sharing a solution to a problem. Let the work speak for itself. Leverage endorsements from third parties. Share your project with your defenders first and let them witness the output. Their authentic testimonials will carry more weight than any self-promotion. Finally, master the art of brief acknowledgement. When someone raises your past, address it clearly and without emotion. State something like, "That was a failure. I own it, and I've learned from it. What I'm focused on now is solving this industry problem." Acknowledge, pivot, and never look back. The soft launch was a success, and your new work is gaining traction in the right circles. It's time to scale your new narrative. Make your achievements loud enough to overshadow the echoes of your past failures. Utilize AI-driven personal branding tools to dominate search results with your new projects and skills, actively rewriting your digital footprint. Establish a schedule for consistency, favoring reliability over fleeting visibility. A weekly insights email or a monthly project update ensures a steady flow of high-value output that demonstrates your stability. Finally, finalize the transition by letting your most recent, high-impact success define how the industry perceives you. Remember, you didn't talk your way out of the wreckage, you built your way out. The scars may linger, but they no longer define you. Your results do. Stop explaining and start building. That is how you rebuild a legacy.